outcome. Did you know? There is a three-leveled process you use when deciding whether your behavior is right or wrong. The first stage of this process is called the moral level. Morality is the basis for determining what is right from wrong. They are regarded as the collection of norms that you would take to be universal. Moral principles typically arise from a variety of sources, including family, friends, culture, education, religious upbringing, etc. Our moral standards are influenced by role models and the media. Your personal standards and morals are a result of a gradual accumulation of all the preceding influences. When it comes to morality, there is no one right answer for everyone. What is considered morally right or wrong varies from person to person and culture to culture. However, there are some general moral principles that many people agree on, such as not harming others, being honest, and keeping your promises. So when it comes to making decisions about right and wrong, it's important to consider all the different factors that have influenced your morality. Only then can you make a decision that is truly in line with your own personal values. It's also important to remember that morality is not static. Just as our beliefs and values can change over time, so can our morality. As we learn new things and have new experiences, our understanding of right and wrong will continue to evolve. So it's important to be open-minded and flexible when it comes to morality, and to always be willing to re-examine your own beliefs as well as not be afraid to act upon those beliefs even if they differ from the majority.